How to fix Windows 11 WAV file not showing. So if you are trying to connect to a WAV file on your Windows 11 and you discover that the WAV file option is not coming up here, as you can see, I have Bluetooth, mobile, flight mode, accessibility. So the Wi-Fi option is missing. So if I scroll down, the Wi-Fi option is not available here. Then here's a video for you. So here basically I'm going to walk you through how you can easily fix your Windows 11 Wi-Fi missing or Windows 11 Wi-Fi not available. Mark you, there are different approaches you can use to troubleshoot this, but here I'm going to show you the best so that you can easily quickly recover or connect your laptop or Windows 11 PC to the Wi-Fi again. Now, if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To start with, you need to troubleshoot your Windows. So click on the start button, locate and click on settings. Once you select settings, hang on for the settings page to load. So let's go ahead and then expand this. On the settings page, locate and click on system. Then once you select system, this is going to open a new page here. On the system page, scroll down until you get to troubleshoot and then click on that. Then under troubleshoot, locate and click on other troubleshooters. Then hang on. Now, if you have network and internet here, go ahead and click on run opposite it. Then click on the run button and then hang on. This is going to try to troubleshoot your Windows, but because you see your Wi-Fi is not available, it's going to show Wi-Fi network and data is disabled. That is the reason why your Wi-Fi is missing on your Windows 11. So if this is connected to a router, your PC is going to try to connect to the internet and check for possible reason why your Wi-Fi is not available. So go ahead and close this. Now, since it says the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled, what you want to do next is locate and click on network and internet. Once you select network and internet, scroll down and then locate and click on advanced network settings. Once you selected advanced network settings, then here you should see Wi-Fi. Then click on this drop menu on your Wi-Fi. You should see the media state says the Wi-Fi is disabled. Now go ahead and enable this and then hang on. Once the media state says enabled, then you should see your Wi-Fi connected to the internet instantly. And then the Wi-Fi is now fixable. So the reason why your Wi-Fi is not fixable or is not showing on your Windows 11 is because the Wi-Fi state is disabled. So if the Wi-Fi is disabled, your Wi-Fi is not going to show or work on your Windows 11. So to fix it, you just need to come to where you see Wi-Fi under advanced network settings and then enable it. Now, hang on. The moment this is enabled, then your Wi-Fi will be visible here after a couple of seconds. You see that? The Wi-Fi reappeared again, and then you can now go ahead, click on the pointed arrow, and search for available Wi-Fi to connect to them. So that is basically how to fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi not showing. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.